Okay, so Samsung Galaxy S22 series is still months away. An official announcement could happen sometimes in January 2022. And we've seen how the whole S22 series will look like. And the most exciting product of this series is the S22 Ultra. And we know why. Recently, we saw an Italian accessory outlet leaked an aluminum dummy of the S22 Ultra, which is clearly showing it's a Note design and the P-shaped camera bump, and also an S Pen slot. Now, Gizmo China published few renders of cases made for the S22 Ultra. We can clearly see that there is a hole in one of the cases for the S Pen slot. And it definitely looks like a case made for Note 20 Ultra. These renders are definitely unofficial, but these are exactly matching the design of the recently leaked renders. As for the specs, the S22 and S22 Plus will come with 50 megapixel ISOCELL GN5 camera sensor as the main camera, while the S22 Ultra will use the recently announced ISOCELL HP1, a 200 megapixel massive camera sensor. As for the processor, it will be powered by the next generation Snapdragon processor, the Snapdragon 898, at least in markets like US, China and Korea. And other markets will get S22 Ultra device powered by Exynos 2200 chipset, which is manufactured using 4nm process node featuring AMD's RDNA2 graphics technology with ray tracing support. Now that's cool. Now we also have to consider the ongoing global chip shortage, which might also affect the production of the Exynos 2200. So it could be that this chipset is coming to very limited amount of markets. But these are kind of like speculations at this point, so we have to wait and see. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.